Hello, my name is Yoseferio Gunawan with NIM 210553118, and my lecturer is Prof. Dr. Tjokorda Gede Tirta Nindhia STMT with NIP 1972011619980310004. Email tirta.nindhia@yahoo.com. Uh, I'm from Mechanical Engineering at Udayana University. Uh, and at this presentation, I will talk about my internship report that about engineering study of cargo door manufacturing and assembly on N219 aircraft. So there's a few references that I took to make this presentation. It's from a few journal um, and a final report and a book. This is the organizational structure at PT Dirgantara Indonesia. There's a few division at PT Dirgantara Indonesia, and I placed in divisi rekayasa manufaktur. Manufacturing engineering division at PT Dirgantara Indonesia. There's a few department. There's 7 department, and I placed in manufacturing engineering for airplane department, which is in PE 2000. So my work experience in the PE 2000 department at PT Dirgantara Indonesia. During the on-job training activities carried out, I had the opportunity to focus on the activities carried out in the PE 2000 department of the production directorate of PT Dirgantara Indonesia. The PE 2000 department has tasks that focus on first is pre-planning, which explains how teams work and responsibilities in designing manufacturing strategies and concepts. Second is emblem evaluation is needed when design changes and manufacturing changes occur due to efficiency problems, difficulties in realizing the design, etc. Third, mastership process explains the duties and responsibilities of related function, as well as prepare and plan work step instruction in the production area and provision of material services in accordance with engineering design data. And final is tooling design and tooling process is needed to create and plan special tools to support the aircraft production process. So there's a few main subjects from this on the job training report. First is working steps for making a cargo door on the N219 aircraft. Then there is working steps to install cargo doors on N219 aircraft. And final is the detailed part manufacture of N219 aircraft cargo door. So first I will talk about the composite materials for making cargo doors. First, honeycomb. Honeycomb is a material structure consisting of resin pre-impregnated sheet materials. For examples, aluminum, polyamide paper, glass fabric, and then bonded alternately at regular intervals and forming a hexagonal ox-core and flex-core geometry. And this is the image that I personally took when I'm on the site. So this is the image of the honeycomb. Second, there's fiberglass. Fiberglass is an alloy or mixture of several chemicals consisting of liquid resin, catalyst, calcium carbonate, matte, cobalt blue, and wax, which react and harden within a certain time. Next, there is resin and catalyst. The resin used in composite materials plays a role in transferring external mechanical load, the reinforcement, and protecting it from the external environment. Uh, a catalyst is a chemical material used to accelerate the polymerization reaction of a composite structure at room temperature and atmospheric pressure. Then there's adhesive. Adhesive is an efficient and flexible method of joining structure, which is an important step for cost-effective manufacturing, as well as for repair and replacement of components in various types of structure in industry. And this is the image of adhesive foam and adhesive film that I took personally when I'm on the site. Then there is Tedlar. Sample bags are made of polyvinyl fluoride film or PVF. PVF sampling bags are made from 2 mil DuPont's Tedlar film. Bag sampling can be used in high precision. This bag is used to store air that has been taken through a vacuum chamber. And this is the picture of Tedlar that I personally took when I'm on the site. Then there is filler. To get a good painting surface, you must start with good product surface preparation. One of the surface preparation process is filler application. Then there is epoxy primer. The corrosion control process is an effort aimed at extending the life of the metal. One effort to corrosion control can be done by coating with the primer paint. Alumesh. Alumesh is one of the metal matrix composite or MMC. Metal matrix composite is a composite material that consists of at least two constituent parts, one of which is metal. Other materials can be metals or different materials, such as ceramics or other organic compounds. MMC is made by incorporating reinforcing materials into a metal matrix. Next, I want to talk about the cargo door manufacturing process. The following is the process of making a cargo door on the N219 aircraft at PT Dirgantara, Indonesia. First, there is an operation number 001 remark that tells a notification to the production division regarding what can and cannot be done. Then there is an operation number 0010 is issuer inspection that check the identification and condition of components and raw materials according to the parts list. Then there is part operation number 0020 clean tool composite that clean the surface of the tool with a clean cloth that has been given a release agent and then dry the tool. And then the operation number 0030 is composite inspection is check the homogeneity of the release agent a- that has been applied to the surface to the tool, and check the cleanliness of the tool. And the operation number 0040 in is layup composite. In this process, using bonding assembly kit or a baji tool for making composite parts assemblies consisting of several different types of material. Tool uh, apply core locating template tool for making composite part, which function for placing core and ply pre-preg in part for making operations. The tool is placed on top of the baji tool, and then we use core tool template tool to cut the core before the bonding operation is carried out. This includes cutting the chamfer core according to the part engineering drawing. Okay, this is the following steps in the operation number 0040. Cut the glass prepreg material, then cut the prepreg materials for the specimen sandwich panel, and then take the core for the sandwich panel specimen, then cut Tadlar alumesh and adhesive film, then clean the core using a solvent-filled cleaning spray, then lay up one layer of adhesive film on the surface of the tool, and then lay up one layer of alumesh on the surface of the tool, mm, and and then lay up glass epoxy in 4 layers in the direction according to the technical drawing, and then lay up adhesive film on the bottom of the core and apply foam adhesive according to the technical drawing. Lay up adhesive film on the top of the core according to the technical drawing, and then lay up glass epoxies in 6 layers in the direction according to the technical drawing, and then lay up glass pre-preg in 1 layer in the direction according to the technical drawing, and lay up the Tadler in 1 layer so that water doesn't get in, and then lay up 4 layers of pre-preg on both core surfaces using adhesive film for sandwich panels. Prepare all the auxiliary materials, bag the components, then vacuum the components. So this is the image of bonding assembly jig that is shown as an orange in the picture, and there is ply core locating template that is in pink color that shows in the picture, and on the right side there is core ring template, and all of this uh, image I took personally from on the site. Uh, and then there is the operation number 0050 composite inspection that make sure all layout dry operation have been completed, and make sure all bagging operation have been completed. Then verify each composite bonding inspection card. And then in the operation number 0060, the autoclave composite, using autoclave to help achieve proper resin to fiber ratios in aerospace and aircraft composite components. And in this operation number, only place the components in the autoclave and start the curing process. This is the picture of autoclave that I took personally when I'm on the site. And then on the operation 070, debagging composite. Remove all auxiliary materials after the curing operation is complete, then remove the component carefully, and then move on to operation number 0080. Yes, composite inspection, where we make sure the curing operation is complete. Operation operation number 0090 is ultrasonic inspection. We perform an ultrasonic check to determine if the component meet the desired specification. So in the operation number 0100, the composite fitting. In this process, we use hand router and drilling tool for cutting and punching parts after the end of autoclave operations. First, lay out and cut the specimen parts completely for the sandwich panel test, considering the dimensions. Then cut the edge part of the component and drill 4 holes according to the technical drawing. And then prepare and mix the epoxy resin. Then apply 1 layer to all cut edges according to the technical drawing. Then draw the component. Prepare the identification plate. Clean the bonding surface of the panel and identification plate using cheesecloth moistened with a solution. And then install the identification plate on the panel using adhesive. And this is the image of hand router and drilling fixtures that I personally took when I'm on the site. And then in the operation number 0110 is composite inspection, where we ensure that all steps have been performed according to the technical drawing, and then we check the dimension of the panel specimen, then send it to the bonding laboratory. Then visually inspect all the cut edges and check the identification and condition of the resin materials and check the resin mixture. And then verify all composite bonding inspection cards. Thus, we accept the component if the specimen results pass and reject the component if the specimen results fail. Operation number 0120 is filler. In this operation number, we prepare and apply pinhole filler to the outer surface of the component. Then, using a grinder, smooth and neaten the excess filler. Operation number 0130, interior decoration inspection. We check the identification and condition, ensure they are in a good condition, and inspect component visually. Operation number 0104, painting bottom. Apply epoxy primer to the component using a spray gun. And in operation number 0150, is interior decoration inspection. Is check and record data on the form. And then operation number 0160, marking. We mark part number, bit number, date, and weight with R on the component. And in operation number 0170, final inspection, that check and verify completion of all operations. In cargo door installation to N219 aircraft at PT Dirgantara Indonesia, first there's an operation number of 005 is remarked is to notify to the production division regarding what can and cannot be done. and then check the identification and condition of components. And in operation number 0020 push slash integration N219, where in the installation of the cargo door and forward cargo compartment is carried out in the shop bonding and composite using a drilling tool on the cargo door and forward compartment and forward cargo compartment, making it easier to install hinges and using positioning rubber seals makes it easier for mechanics to position the rubber seal and is done in the bonding shop and composite. In this operation number, we install pushing the latch bolt holes provided on the cargo door to prevent loosening of the installed bolt during the bolt installation process. Tighten bolts according to the specified standards and then install the rubber seal around the edge of the cargo door using adhesive to isolate the forward cargo compartment from outside condition, and then install the inserts in the hinge bolt holes provided on the cargo door to prevent loosening of the installed bolts during the bolt installation process. Tighten bolts according to the specified standards, and then after the cargo door is installed with the forward cargo compartment, apply the bonding seam tip using adhesive, and then install rod equipment or damper using bolts in the provided holes. And then this is the image of full drilling and staging and positioning rubber seal that I personally took when I'm on the site. And the operation number 0030 is structure inspection, where conduct a structural inspection before proceeding to the sealant process in the sealant shop to ensure proper and specification compliant sealant application. Operation number 0040 is sealant shop. Apply sealant to components according to the technical drawing. And then in the operation number 0050, sealant inspection, we ensure that the applied sealant is controlled and meets requirements. And in operation number 0060 is painting shop. We mix primer with thinner to achieve the specified viscosity. In the operation number 0070 is painting inspection. Ensure that the primer mixture remains consistent. And in operation number 0080 is painting shop. We apply epoxy primer to the component. And operation number 0090 is painting inspection. To ensure that the applied epoxy primer is controlled and meets requirements. After completing all process, the cargo door is ready to be assembled with the forward cargo compartment and integrated with the nose fuselage. So the conclusion, based on the data gathered from the field survey, conducted during the internship work at PT Dirgantara Indonesia, the following conclusion can be drawn. The manufacturing process of cargo door components for N219 aircraft entails a series of intricate and well-structured steps. This process utilizes high-quality components and materials to ensure the safety and reliability of the cargo door. The production and engineering teams collaborate closely to guarantee that each stage of the process is carried out efficiently and adheres to efficient safety standards. Second, the the fabrication process of cargo doors encompasses a series of intricate and structured steps, beginning with initial design conceptualization, followed by the meticulous selection of high quality materials, and culminating in the meticulous uh, formation of the door structure to guarantee both quality and safety. The production and engineering teams collaborate seamlessly to ensure that each stage of the process adheres to aviation safety standards and is executed with utmost efficiency. And final, the and last, the installation of the cargo door on the N219 aircraft involves numerous supporting components, necessitating high precision mounting of the cargo door to the aircraft structure. The entire installation process is meticulously executed to ensure the optimal functioning of the cargo door and compliance with all aviation safety requirements. So that's my on the job report. Uh, thank you for listening and see you on the next video. Thank you.